there.
Dang. Oh, dude, is that on the ground?
Not sure. Something's kicking up stuff there.
Your camera focus on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Boy, that's right off the wall cloud, it looks like.
That's gotta be something.
Just keep your camera focused there. Either that or a lot of dust being picked up.
I think it's just dust, honestly.
Well, but
Oh, what's kicking it up? RFP or tornado?
man, I don't know.
You getting pictures?
Yeah. We'll see here in a minute if it just kind of scuds out. That looks like a funnel that's kind of rolling out.
Yeah. Come look on my video.
Whoa.
It looked like there was a funnel out here.
Yeah, I saw that. Now it looks like there's a funnel just right too. Almost. There's like a little RFD cut right there.
Yeah.
That might have been. You see this over here too?
Now we can clearly see it.
That's like a huge RFD cut. That's why you're seeing the white clouds in there.
Oh, there's still some dust coming up.
Yep. We might have just got one.